friends, welcome again in my channel Learn with Anu. I am back with another interesting video. In this video, we learn about the distinguished features of the Statue of Unity from the other statues in this world. So before starting its distinguished feature, let's know about the Statue of Unity. Let's begin. It is the matter of pride that the Statue of Unity located in India, in Gujarat. This is the Statue of Unity, which is a 182-meter tall, and it has been built to pay rich tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who is also known as the Iron Man of India. Vallabhbhai Patel, one of the most prominent leaders of the Indian independence movement, the first Home Minister as well as the first Deputy Prime Minister of independent India, and responsible for the integration of hundreds of princely states into the modern Republic of India, means Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was highly respected for his leadership in uniting 562 princely states of India with a major part of the former British Raj to form the single Union of India. Statue of Unity is located at Sadhu Bet Islet on River Narmada, approximately 3.5 kilometers south of Sardar Sarovar Dam at Kevadia in Narmada district of Gujarat. So I will show you. This is the Sardar Sarovar Dam, and this is the Narmada River, Sardar Sarovar Reservoir. I hope all these places are clearly visible to all of you. Now, let's proceed to the interesting facts that distinguish the Statue of Unity from other statues in the world. Number one, as we know, the Statue of Unity is the tallest statue in the world at 182 meters. It is 23 meters taller than China's Spring Temple Buddha statue, and almost double the height of the Statue of Liberty, that is 93 meters tall in US. Number two, this statue will be able to withstand wind velocity up to 60 meters per second, vibration and earthquakes. Number three, it was built within 3.5 years by an army of over 3,000 workers, including 300 engineers from infrastructure major Larsen and Toubro. Number 4, this statue is a 3-layered structure. The innermost layer is made of reinforced cement concrete, that is RCC, comprising 2 layers 127 meters high that rise till the statue's chest. The second layer is a steel structure, and third an 8mm bronze cladding on the surface. Number 5, the RCC towers, which at the bottom form Patel's dhoti clad legs, have 2 lifts each. Each lift can carry 26 people to the most in just above half a minute. Okay guys, this is all about the distinguished feature about the Statue of Unity. For any queries and suggestion, please comment in the comment box. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.